the story of Soichiro Honda. This is the story of a man who not only became successful himself, but also made life easier for people all around the world. This story does not just motivate us, it teaches us that with hard work and passion, any dream can come true. So let's begin the story. The beginning. The year was the 1930s. In a small village in Japan lived a boy named Soichiro Honda. He was so poor that, due to lack of money, 5 of his brothers and sisters died in childhood. His father was a simple blacksmith. From a very young age, Soichiro was fascinated by machines and engines. Often, he skipped school to help in the workshop making small iron parts. People laughed at him and said, "This boy doesn't study. He will never achieve anything in life." Journey to the city. At just 14 years old, he quit school and left for the city. There, he found a workshop that repaired cars. Soichiro went to the owner and said, "Please give me a job." The owner replied, "All right, you can start from tomorrow." In the beginning, he was only given cleaning work, but deep in his heart, he wanted to learn how to repair cars. He tried every way possible to prove himself. Then, a massive earthquake struck Japan. The workshop was badly damaged, and the owner was left with very few workers. Out of necessity, he gave Soichiro a chance to work on car repairs. This was a dream come true for him. He quickly learned how to fix cars and even how to race them. Soon, he won several car races. But deep inside, he had another dream: to invent something that could change the world. The first company. As a young man, he started a small company that made piston rings. He tried selling them to big companies, but they said, "These are useless. We cannot buy them." Time and again, his product failed. Partners left him. People mocked him and said, "This business will never succeed." But Soichiro Honda never gave up. He worked day and night, and eventually he succeeded. Yet happiness didn't last long. In 1939, World War II began. His factory was bombed and completely destroyed. Starting again, an ordinary man might have given up here. But Honda found hope even in the ashes. After the war, gasoline was very expensive in Japan. Most people could only travel by bicycle. Honda saw an opportunity. In 1947, he created a small engine called the Honda A-Type. He attached this engine to a bicycle, and thus the first motorized bicycle was born. At first, people ignored it. But slowly, the invention began to gain attention. Founding the company. In 1948, he officially founded his company, Honda Motor Company. The first complete motorcycle was called the Dream D-Type. But this dream was not easy. The engine had issues, the clutch slipped, and customers complained. Other companies would have ignored these complaints. But Honda told his workers, "Go to every customer's house, fix their problems, and earn their trust." This spirit won the hearts of people. The big success. In 1958, Honda launched the Honda Super Cub. It was lightweight, affordable, and easy for ordinary people to use. Everyone loved it. Even today, it remains the world's best-selling motorcycle. In just 10 years, the boy who once made small parts in a tiny workshop became the owner of one of the world's largest motor companies, Honda. Today, Honda is not only making motorcycles, but also cars, machines, robots, and much more. Soichiro Honda once said, "Success represents the 1% of your work, which comes from the 99% that is called failure." And that is the truth. We should never fear failure. Instead, we must learn from it. The lesson. The story of Honda teaches us, failure is not the end. It is the doorway to a new beginning. Some people quit after failure, but the truly successful ones rise again. With hard work and passion, no dream is impossible. Real strength comes when you treat other people's problems as your responsibility. Final message. So today, the question is, can you also turn your failures into power? Can you make your dream a reality? If this story inspired you, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more motivational stories.